waiting for.
I'm waiting for it too.
Everybody has been waiting for eyebrows. So we're going to do a quick tutorials on your eyebrows. So for your eyebrows, this, you put your eye pencil here on top of your nose. This is where your eyebrow starts. Here, see this part of your nose? Just put a straight pencil. That's where your eyebrow starts. Now when you put it on the top of your nose, that's where your arch is going to be, the natural arch God gave you, except you want to draw a new one. Can you see it? And then on the end of the nose, that's where the end of your brows is going to be. So now it's here, here, and here. That's simple. So this, when you do this, you will get the exact shape of your natural brows, except you want to do it. So for my eyebrows, some people lay down the brows so they can draw on it, but if you are a beginner, I don't advise that you lay down your brows with any brow pomade or whatnot, because it might be difficult for you to draw. So I'm using Davis. When I'm not using Davis, I use Browline by Didi because of the precision. So, but trust me, anytime, any day, Davis. So for your brows, if I didn't carve her brows, it wouldn't be easy for me to identify it like that. So you want to go straight from the nose, see? Under, directly under. Please sharpen your pencil. Let your pencil be sharp. See the arch? Me now, I'm following her brows, so I'm not doing anything special. I'm just following the natural shape of her brows. And when you're drawing the top, don't start from the front so it doesn't look like a box brow. We're not in 2018. You start from, at least you give some space before the front so it doesn't look like a square. So when I get to the arch, I just go downhill from there. Down from there. Can you see? Down from there. So for inside the brows, I'll use the Davis pencil to fill in. Sorry, the Didi pencil. You can use the Davis as well to fill in, but I like that the Didi pencil does nothing. So you just want to do hairline stroke to make it look very natural. Trust me, if your brows are whack before you conceal them, you can always save them. But it's better that they look very put together before you even conceal them. So like this now, she can even walk around with her brows. So try your best to make your brows as good as possible before you conceal them. That will be easier for you. So our brows are completed. Note that your brows are not twins, they're sisters, so they don't have to be identical, but just try your best to match it as much as possible. So for the brows, what I do is you have to use a lighter color, and then the front and the edge, see color on my finger, you use a darker color so it blends into her skin. Just take a little, doesn't have to be too crazy, and try to go far from the brows so you don't disrupt the line. Just follow the brow shape just as you did it. And if you use excess concealer, that's how it will be chopping into the brows. Before you know it, that's how you'll be going and going and going and cutting into the brow. So the less the foundation, the lesser the foundation, the better. So the shade a bit close to the skin, the end of the brows. Bring it down when you're doing it, and then for the front part, oh, sorry, just go gently with the brows. So just follow the line you already drew. Blend. And when you want to do the top of your brows, try as much as possible to use your foundation shade or darker, because you know you've already done your skin work there. So, and use as little as possible. See, you can barely see anything, but you can see it's doing something. Just use as little as possible for the top. Conceal to the front. That's it. Now you want to blend everything out. Blend it all up. So you can see, even though she doesn't have eyeshadow on, she can go out. Look at your brows. Make any corrections you need to. Blend everything into the skin. Take your time, correct any mistake. You can see this and this are not that different. If you notice that there's anything missing, you can go in back with your brush, with your pencil, and fill in any empty space. And yeah, that's basically it for brows. You can see, nothing too crazy. Just try your best to keep your brows as natural as possible, except you're going for like a Halloween look or a creative look. Our brows, you can see, please blend everything into your eye crease.